Here, Marvin, to shoot. It's alright now.
Point it,
Hang
point it.
back.
Point it.
I'll say she's ready. You may stand by. Hear the beat. Start shooting. Okay? Don't worry about the time. Aim. Stand by. Good girl. 25-6-1.
It's fun, isn't it?
The number of people that don't get it. Quicker again. 21-4-8.
So you're winning at the end. You had that on, classify you.
Hold it back.
Oh yeah, at the minute.
So when you get all the way forward, when you're holding with two fingers, right? When you put it right back in, okay, then it's straight forward, all the way forward, and pull it again. Right, try that. That's why I think you're struggling. It's a struggling. I think a lot of the kids struggle with it. Triggers. Yes. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. Just remember to get it back. Right. Is you ready? You got bonus on live. You're the big one. Good girl. Good girl. Brilliant. Well done. 13. 9-6. That was 10 seconds quicker than you.
No, I see 9-6.
Then do it again. 9-6. Well